Hola clase, vamos a hablar de las metas para Unidad 2, Lección 1. So we're going to quickly go over your goals for Unit 2, Lesson 1. Hablar, speaking. I can answer questions related to what classes I'm taking, when those classes are, and what I do in those classes. So obviously we're talking a lot about your subjects, the classes you're taking. So you need to be able to answer basic questions about those classes. Escuchar, listening. I can listen to and write down or at least fill in someone else's schedule. So if I told you I have math class at 9:30, you could write down math in a schedule at the 9:30 block. Escribir. I can write a paragraph telling some things I and others do during the day. I can include times and some location details. So this would be things like I watch TV. I draw. I listen to the teacher. Okay? We're going to learn how to conjugate some new verbs. Leer, reading. I can read some pages from a Mexican student handbook that tells what class credits are available. So basically, you could look over kind of a guide to what classes they would need. So, grammatica. I can tell times and also how often I do things. I can conjugate tener and express what classes I have as well as what I have to do. I can conjugate verbs ending in AR. I can use I correctly. I looks like hey in English, but it's pronounced I. So a lot of this isn't going to make a lot of sense to you right now. Just know we're going to learn how to use more verbs than just ser and gustar. Okay? Cultura, I can compare and contrast US and Mexican schools. And as always, if you have some specific goals for yourself, you can write them down in the space below, particularly if there's maybe something about your classes you want to be able to say, or a certain idea you want to be able to express about what you do in those classes. Buena suerte. Adios.